This week on Neometrix 3D Tech Tips, we're going to finish our threaded insert install tutorials. Last time we looked at 3D printed threads out of thermoplastics and installed the helicoil insert. Now we're going to look at a few other options, first being the captive nut. By designing a cavity in your 3D printed part, you can embed hardware like this hex nut and print over it like you see here. For this application, we are benefiting from metal threads. However, you can utilize this method to add magnets, brackets, and many other pieces of hardware to optimize your part. Next, we're going to add a press fit insert simply by hammering it in. This is an easy way to avoid having to print your threads and get a little bit more wear resistance than the softer thermoplastic like this nylon offers. Lastly, we are going to heat up our soldering iron and get ready to press our heatset insert in. Thanks for joining us, and keep an eye out for our next video on other types of inserts.